My next tip is using the Pathfinder tool. Now, this isn't as fine-tuned. It doesn't give you quite the control of the shape builder that I shared earlier, but sometimes it's just what you need when you want to perform quick actions between different objects. So I'll give you a few examples. First of all, taking this letter A, if I outline it so that it's viewed as an object rather than a character, and I just drop it to overlap this square. Let's say I wanted to cut the A out of the square. Well, using Pathfinder, if I select the two together, you'll see it appears under Properties if you're using the latest version of Illustrator CC, at least at the time I'm recording this. And under Pathfinder, you've got these first few options. Unite, which in this case we're not interested in. Minus front. Now, as long as the A is the topmost object, which it wasn't, it now is. When I click minus front, you can see that subtracts the A. And we now have, if I move it above, this block with the shape of our choice removed from the front. So that can be quite useful in some applications for logo design, or perhaps objects you want to create as part of a brand identity. To show you what else it can do, you've got this option which is intersect. So that will only keep the shape in the area that an overlap occurs. So that's done nothing, but if I were to bring it to here and use that option, intersect, it's only going to leave us with the area that's intersecting, and that's going to be just this slice of the A. So perhaps that gives you some interesting options and applications. Or another option, if I select these two circles I've created here, is exclude. And this time it's going to subtract any area where an overlap occurs. So you can use the Pathfinder with multiple objects. I find you get best results where you're just using one or two, but you can add lots of shapes and there's really no limit to what you can use this to do.